Healing our bodies a call to action. Peace and greatness to all God's children. Today I stand before you with a message of hope, a message of truth, and a message of healing. Our bodies, these miraculous vessels that carry us through life, have been crying out for help, and we must answer that call. Look around at the world we live in. The shelves of our supermarkets are overflowing with processed, chemical-laden foods. Fast food chains pump out millions of meals daily, loaded with sugars, unhealthy fats, artificial flavors, and preservatives. Our drinks are often filled with dyes, sweeteners, and substances our ancestors wouldn't recognize as food. And let's not forget alcohol. It has been glorified in our culture as a way to relax, to celebrate, to cope. Yet it slowly, relentlessly attacks the liver, weakens the immune system, and robs the body of vital nutrients. Many don't realize the long-term damage until it's too late, but here is the truth. We were not meant to live like this. Our bodies were designed to thrive on whole, natural, life-giving foods. Fruits bursting with vitamins, vegetables rich with minerals, clean water that hydrates every cell, nuts, seeds, legumes, grains. Nature's perfect fuel, and people are waking up. Across the globe, millions are choosing to become vegetarians and vegans. They are rejecting processed foods and toxic substances. They are listening to their bodies. They are making the conscious decision to heal. When you choose to nourish your body with real, unprocessed, plant-based foods, you give your organs a chance to repair, your cells a chance to regenerate, and your spirit a chance to soar. Energy returns, clarity sharpens. Diseases fade. The body is an extraordinary healer when given the right tools. This is not about perfection. It is not about shame. It is about empowerment. Every meal is a new opportunity. Every sip of clean water is a gift. Every step away from alcohol, from processed foods, from toxic choices is a step toward healing. I urge you, honor your body. Listen to its wisdom. Choose foods that fuel you, not foods that poison you. Choose beverages that cleanse you, not drinks that destroy you. You have the power to transform your health, your energy, your life. We are part of a growing movement, a movement of healing, of wholeness, of vibrant living. Together we can inspire others to join us. Together we can heal our bodies and heal our world. Thank you.